Okay, Mike, let it go. Hey, Bob. Into welding today, doing a little welding? Yeah. And some wood and welding. We're going to see what's going on out here. Yeah. The welding today. Welding. Yeah, welding. Ah. Tippy out here. Doing a little grinding and welding.
I was going to set it up like that.
Yeah. Do you think you want to finish that way though? I just finished that way to get a clean cut. And then do it different. We got these all welded up here. And now we're doing the 18-foot section, which is going to be extra fun. I'll show you all these pieces we got cut. Down here, all those rails have to go in. You got to weld them all in at a certain distance. Nice. Alright, let's do that.
It's down there.
Yeah. Ready?
Wait a second.
Yeah. Loosen it up.
And the reason for doing that is sort of twofold. One is that you haven't actually...
All matched up?
Significant tax reduction for you.
Nice.
Nursing home
Yeah, got it. Nice. Good job, sir. Getting it started right now. We're trying to get the measurement right. Hopefully that end won't be a problem. 18 foot, what's this, 18 feet long?
18.9.
18.9. And it looks like every, what?
223 inches.
223? Jeez. It's a long run. I bet this is going to weigh about 200 pounds by the time we're done. It has to go on top of your truck. Huh. See, that I was thinking. And this, we'll just go like this so we get our gap, right? That, see? And that's even, that's a ½ inch in, right?
Let's go up here.
Yeah.
That's in the way, see?
Uh-huh.
It's very good.
Yeah, so it's like a jig. We're making a jig. We got it bolted down here and screwed down over there. So it doesn't move, hopefully. Yep, coming along. About halfway done on the tack.
It for a little while.
Boy. All right. Cool.
Okay, Mike, let it go.